Welcome to Homework Lib.
Alright, if we've got this right triangle that represents a ramp, this is 1,000 feet, 4.6 degrees, and a motorized wheelchair ramp is traveling up a long ramp that has this incline of 4.6 that covers a horizontal distance of 1,000 feet. If it travels at 400 feet per minute, how long will it take for the wheelchair to reach the end of the ramp? So first we need to find the length of the ramp, and we can do this with right triangle trig, SOHCAHTOA. From the 4.6 degrees, 1,000 is the adjacent leg, and then the x is the hypotenuse, so that's going to be cosine. So we can say the cosine of 4.6 degrees is equal to 1,000 over the unknown. Multiply by x, and then divide by the cosine of 4.6 degrees. And make sure your calculator is in degree mode. And then 1,000 divided by cosine 4.6 is about 1,003.23. And so then the question is, if it travels at 400 feet per minute, how long will it take to get to the end of the ramp? So we'll take our 1,003.23 feet divided by 400 feet per minute. The feet will cancel out, and 1,003.23 divided by 400 to the nearest tenth is 2.5 minutes.